Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I am back, guys. I know I haven't done a video in a while for American Bill Money, but yes, I'm still in the program. I'm at one of my Wi-Fi locations now, and as you can see right here, I've got my postcards, got labels on them, already ready to go. That's my picture, my ID 2422. But yes, still in the program. And this is one of the websites I'm using. I can share that with you if you want to get in the program. Check it out here. You can see I'm just scrolling through it. This program, guys, has been around since 2003. It's A+ with the Better Business Bureau. It's one of the longest direct mail programs out there. Okay. And they do all the selling and telling for you. You see how this is personalized? I like this website. I can connect you with the company to get you one just like it. But yeah, we're still going strong here with American Bill Money. Okay, get your postcards, drop them in the mail. You can do this online and you can do it offline, or you can do either or, guys. Doesn't matter, but just get in. You're gonna make $75 per sign up, okay? And that's residual, not just one time. That's over and over, as long as everyone keeps their membership. The membership is $125 every month, okay? And that's going to give you 150 postcard leads, okay? And once you join me, I'll share some sources with you, some mailing list sources, where you can keep getting your lists, getting your mailing lists every month. And I rotate my lists out. I have about 3 companies that I use, okay? So I'll be happy to share that with you. But get started with me in American Bill Money. If you're looking for residual income with direct mail, this is the program to get started with. I'm ID 2422. I'm gonna put the link below so you can give me a call if you have any questions. All right, see you guys on the next video, and you guys have a blessed day.